Hey everyone and welcome back. Now in this video we are going to create this section. So let's get started. Go back to your element editor. I'm going with 2 columns. And now I'm going to right click on edit section, and in the advanced I'm going to add the padding by 50 and 50 to the top and the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to copy this heading and then paste it right here. Let me copy this text. Right click, copy the text, and I'm going to paste the text right here, and I'm going to simply add little bit of space, something like this. Now I'm going to add image widget. Choose your image. Let me upload this image. Simply click on insert media, and now you can see we have added our image, and I'm going to change the image size to full. Now let's add this description. Let me copy this description, or maybe we have the description right here. I'm going to copy and paste the description like here, and let me copy the text, and I'm going to paste the text right here. So now let's add the icon list. Go back to your website, search for icon list. You have this widget icon list, simply drag and drop. And we have 3 default items. So basically these are the default items. I'm going to delete these items. Let me open this item. And now first of all, I'm going to copy the text from here, copy. And then I'm going to paste the text, and in the icon let me change the icon to circle and search for circle icon, and we have the icon right here, dot circle, insert. Now in the style I'm going to change the icon color to pink. So let me copy, in the style let me copy the button color. So this is our color. Let me copy. Instead of copy the color from here, you can simply make this color a global color, something like this. Now here add your global color name, click on create. So you can see we have added our global color, and now you can use this color without copy paste the code. So simply right click on edit a list, and in the icon you can simply click on this area and then simply click on pink. You can see in the text I'm going to change the text color to black, and the typography will be Poppins. Now let me copy all these headings one by one. In the content I'm going to duplicate and paste the heading. Again copy, duplicate, paste it right here. Again copy, duplicate, paste it right here. In the style I'm going to add little bit of space, and now let's add this button. Copy the button from here, and I'm going to paste it right here. Now let me change the text to read more, and in the icon select the icon library and add arrow. And you can change the icon position from here. In the style, change the background color to black. So you can see we have created this kind of section very easily and in just few minutes. If you like this video helpful, please let me know, and if you have any questions, please add a note so I will help you. Thanks for watching.